Hey, well, lesson learned, right?
Lesson learned.
So, guys, we've gone over some personal credit stuff here, and really the main intention to go over that, why we did, was that you have a better understanding of why that leads into your business credit. You need to make sure about that you're covering your utilization, that 2 to 5%. You need to make sure that you've got a healthy mix of credit, meaning installment loans versus revolving loans. Don't just have all credit cards. You need some loans out there too. And again, installment loans are something that you pay for the same amount month to month. Okay. What are some other factors here? What are the other three?
The other three. So installment loans. So we're talking about the length of credit, right?
Oh, length of credit. Yep.
Length of credit. The new credit that you apply for.
Ooh, that's a good one. That's a good
The
one.
new credit.
So, the new credit, right? That's a common misconception that, hey, listen, I'm going to apply for this card and it's going to increase my credit score. I kind of want to talk about that for a second too, because we didn't really hit on it. So, guys, be aware when you're applying for new lines of credit, you have to play the game to win. Okay. So, yes, initially, Carlos, and stop me if you've got something to say here.
No.
But like initially, it's going to hurt your credit because you're lowering your average age. Okay. But over the long run, you're going to build that credit history, right? So, just be aware of that as well. I'm sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off, Carlos.
Oh no, that's good. That's perfect. So the new credit that you apply, the credit that you use. So we're talking about the types of credit that you have. You remember the revolving. That's usually 10%. You have the new credit, which is actually 10% of your whole credit pie. If you see a pie, 10%. The length of a credit, which will be 15%. The payment history, which is the big, which is a 35%. And now the amount that you owe, like Brock was saying, which is the utilization, that is 30% of your whole credit score. So at least the payments, make sure you have no late payments. If you can, please try to not be late. Keep in mind, remember what I talked about, the SLC that I have? Hey, some of them are in red, some of them are in amber, some of them are in green. My red require my attention. So whatever you got to do, that's my way to actually track my things. And trust me, I check in daily. One of the things that I do every single day. So we post a lot on social media, but the first thing that I check is my credit report and then my bank accounts. I need to make sure my bank account, my money's there. He knows. Actually, I thought it was the first thing that I saw this morning, something that happened. This morning came out, something like that. But it's the first thing that I check. And then I check the actual social media to make sure, because we like to engage with you guys. A lot of you actually come and have questions, engage in some of the posts that we put, and I like to respond. I like to personally respond. It's getting overwhelming, guys. Okay, you guys are replying too much. So in a little bit, we have to curb that too. Okay, so and again, so that's some of the things that I do, but you should do it every single day. So